Hi there. Recently I have posted a video about my iPad Pro and I have talked about its problems. The problem was with speakers, so they suddenly they became a very creaky, all four speakers, and it was happening from one day to another, so with no any reason, literally with no any reason. So I was very confused. I didn't understand how it could happen, and I have done everything to fix it, what was possible by my side. I have updated the software to the latest, and so let's see. The latest software is iPad OS 14.1, and and I have made a hard restart several times, and unfortunately it didn't help any. So the only thing was left. What I could try is to restore the iPad to factory settings. So and of course I have did it recently. So I have deleted everything. It deleted everything, and it has restored everything to the factory settings. So and the result, it didn't help any either. So as I was guessing, it wasn't a software problem, and it is more likely like a hardware problem and problem with speakers themselves. So any kind of restart, software update, anything not gonna help in my situation. I'm still very confused, and I still don't understand how it could happen that it became this way by itself, literally, so with no reason. And so let's demonstrate you again how it does sound. So found again some copyright free music, so let's play it. Let's take closer a microphone to iPad and listen it this way again. So as you can hear, it's still very creaky, very annoying sound. So this is the problem of the hardware. And as I told you, the iPad is 16 months, and so I want to take it to service, because as I told you, iPad is like a new. It's in a perfect like a new condition, because I was taking care of it a lot, and I'm literally that worried about if I will take it to the service, they will take it take it apart, and they will open it up, and you know, they will do this kind of things, so they will put it back. I don't want just to take it to let them to do with it. So I will not feel the same way as I feel it now. So I decided to use it for some period of time still, because at least I can use it when I need a sound. I can use with earphones, or with my AirPods, for example, and I can do my things. So I don't really much use the speakers, just sometimes. So I can use it with my AirPods, and yeah, so that's why I will not take it to the service now. But anyway, it is really confusing. It's really very unpleasant, because it is a expensive product. It was about 1,500 euros in our country, in Hungary. So yeah, it's 256 gigs and 4G LTE version of iPad Pro 12.9 inch. So yeah, it was expensive, and after 16 months it is just by itself broken. So I don't know how to react, and just my reaction is just how it can happen, so with no any reason. So that's, yeah, it's very confusing. So that's it, yeah, for now. If anything changes, if I will take it to the service after a while, or I will decide something to do it, I'll post a video about it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and please share your opinion, and if anyone faced the same problem or similar problem, please share it. And yeah, thank you very much, and talk to you soon.